Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CS Jaspreet. So today's video is on ICSI's announcement for one more mock test to be conducted on 8th January 2021 for our CSEET students who are going to sit on 9th January 2021. So originally the date of mock test was 6th January 2021, but due to various reasons some candidates could not appear. So ICSI provided the same mock test to be conducted, one more mock test to be conducted on 7th January 2021, which was a very good initiative by ICSI. And now again, today also few candidates were unable to sit in the mock test due to various reasons. So for them tomorrow, that is 8th January 2021, the mock test will be repeated. That is one more mock test will be conducted on 8th January 2021 after the two mock tests that were conducted on 6th and 7th January 2021. Now, the purpose of conducting these mock test is just to make the students familiar with the test before appearing for the main exam that is to be held on 9th January 2021. The batch timings, user ID and password for the mock test will be to be conducted on 8th January, that shall be communicated by email or SMS. Now, for sitting in this test or even for sitting in the main exam, you need a safe exam browser in advance in your laptop or in your desktop from which you're going to appear the mock test or the main exam. The procedure is given, but if you have not done it yet, you will have to download it, and I have made a full-fledged video in simple language. You can find it in the above I button. When you click it, you'll go directly to the video how to download the safe exam browser. I have explained it in simple language. You can go and download it, as it is a must pre-requirement for the mock test as well as the main CSEET exam. So I hope you have subscribed to my channel, but if you have not done it yet, I request you to do that and follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest as well.